With the members of Jayashree Park Morning Walkers Association assembled at Mr. Krishnananda Mukherjee's newly constructed flat. We are enjoying 31st night. I now Mr. Shankar Bhattacharjee and Mr. Shekhar Pal, Mr. Supriyo Sengupta Orofe Raja, Mr. Ratnadeep Chaudhary Orofe Rantu, and Mr. Shukumar Dhar, Mr. Buddhadev Chatterjee, and Mr. Krishnananda Mukherjee, and here Mr. Gautam Banerjee too. We are participating, we are enjoying, we are celebrating Eid festival, 31st March, turbo beer, delicious Gugni, and Mr. Shekhar Pal. Something you please tell? Okay. Okay.